Welcome to today's discussion about the future of code generation. With AI technologies like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Claude Sonic becoming increasingly advanced, a big question looms. Are these AI tools going to take over developer jobs? First, let's break down what these AI code generators are all about. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT use advanced machine learning algorithms to assist in writing code. They suggest snippets, automate mundane tasks, and even help debug. Claude Sonic 2 is part of this new wave, claiming to revolutionize how code is generated and managed. While the capabilities of these tools are indeed impressive, it raises concerns. Some worry they might replace developers. However, it's crucial to note that these tools are designed to assist, not fully replace. They act as productivity enhancers, freeing up developers to tackle more complex creative problems. In other words, they're more like partners than replacements. As technology evolves, adaptation is key. Developers may find themselves integrating AI more deeply into their workflows. This makes their roles more dynamic, allowing for a shift from routine coding tasks to strategic thinking and problem solving. Those who embrace these tools might find themselves at the forefront of innovation. In conclusion, while AI code generators are transforming the programming landscape, they are unlikely to completely take over developer jobs. Rather, they complement human skills and may redefine roles in exciting ways. Embracing AI in coding can be seen as an opportunity to expand one's skill set and stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech industry. Thanks for watching.